if root 2 is this particular expression, then square root of this thing is equal to what? So we have a bit of weird thing happening over here. How will we handle this? First, let's look into the numbers itself. They are root 2. So directly they're given it in prime number. So no need to express in prime factor form. Let's take up the expression which is inside the root itself. This one. Let's rationalize this because we can't do much over here. So how do you rationalize it? Well, we can multiply anything with 1. And that will help us to write, I think I should be writing in the next line, root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 into this 1 can be written as what? This one can be written as root 2 plus 1, sorry, minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. So this is technically correct because 1 and this is 1 and the same. But why this root 2 minus 1? Why not plus 1? Because end of it, we have to make use of the identity a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Is it not? So this is a plus b into a minus b is, end of it, it's a square minus b square. So because of that, we are able to do this. We should be able to do this. And now the numerator. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is what? A into a. A into a is what, guys? Yes, a square. So root 2 minus 1 the whole square divided by. This is what? This is root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. This is root 2 square minus 1 square. Okay, so a square minus b square. So root 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is 1 basically. So this entire thing is root 2 minus 1 the whole square. I'm not going to reduce this. Right? Not reduce this, expand it. The reason being very simple actually. Let's go to the original question. Square root of root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. This got reduced to what? This got reduced to square root of root 2 minus 1 the whole square. Okay? Is it not? It's the same expression got reduced to this. I can substitute that over there. Now, root of anything square is what? Well, a to the power of 1. Agree? So root and square will get cancelled. So that is a to the power of 1. And a is what? A is nothing but my root 2 minus 1. Okay, for a second I just took this expression as, wait, let me write it over here itself. Let a be equal to root 2 minus 1. So that I can show you guys this. It's okay if you don't need to write, you don't need to write this way. You can take it the normal way that this and this will get cancelled. But again, I just want to show the math, so I'm doing this. You can skip this step altogether. These steps are not required. It's only for your understanding. That's it. Okay. So I hope this is neat enough for you guys. Well, I'm not that happy actually. Let me just rearrange. It looks a bit confusing. I know it's not, but still, I just want to. Okay, so now this is a bit clearer. Right, guys? So now is it looking okay? Okay, so we have root and so on and so forth. So we have let this particular expression be equal to a. So this will be a square, root and that will get cancelled, and we have this. And now moving on, root of anything is what? Root of anything is 1.414. So this is 1.4142 minus 1. And so this is clearly 0.4142. So that would be your answer. That's it. Understood? So learn to organize things, right? Work it out and then continue with the main question. Always divide and conquer, divide and rule. Okay, guys. So take a particular part, simplify that, right? If you need to simplify before anything before this, do that also. So I hope with each question you guys are understanding the pattern of working in an organized manner. That's the main thing. Everything else in every other subject and every other topic will fall in place with you guys understanding that discipline is very important.